Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, air sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Libra, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Death with Four of Swords under the deck, Libra. You are not talking with your person right now. You are healing yourself from past hurts. You are doing meditation to heal yourself. And for some, there was ending between you and your person. For some, you are in no contact situation. If you are in relationship with your person, this is on and off connection. Yes, you both are not in good terms with each other. And the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio, especially. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Hierophant, Knight of Cups, and the Fool. I think in past everything was okay. Maybe you both are talking about commitment, maybe marriage. And this person is very, very romantic towards you. And the Fool, you are going with the flow, living in the present moment. I think past was very, very good. I think there is no negative. Then present, King of Swords, Four of Cups, and Nine of Cups. I think you started thinking through your logical mind. You are not a emotional person anymore, because King of Swords, you are very honest and straightforward in nature, Libra. There is missed opportunity. You are feeling missed opportunity with your person. Yes, because you are in separation for some, but your wishes are going to be true in near future. Nine of Cups is here. Wish fulfillment. Maybe you are wishing for this connection, but it is not happening the way you want. Yes, that's why you are feeling missed opportunity with your person, and there is some communication with clarity is also coming, but you are getting clarity what you want. Yes, and you are very straightforward in nature. Then future, the Magician, Queen of Swords, and Page of Cups. Maybe you are manifesting something big into your life, and you are setting boundaries because you want best and you deserve best. I think you both are on the same page, King of Swords and Queen of Swords, in same reading. I think you both are same on every level, like you both have same powers, you both have some ego problems. uh, and Page of Cups, maybe they are coming back with an apology. Someone want to text you, someone want to say apology to you. Page of Cups, it could be your past person, or some text is coming. For some it could be a new person. It depends on your situation. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or especially Scorpio. So Libra, let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So their current feelings. Their current feeling. Three of Pentacles under the deck. Definitely they really want to work on this relationship. I think in past there is no equal give and take. There is no partnership between you and your person, Libra. But Ace of Swords, definitely they want to say some truth to you. There is some communication with clarity. They want to express the true feelings to you. But Right now your person feeling stuck. Eight of Swords energy, they are unable to make any move towards you. And Five of Wands, there is lot of drama is going between you and your person. Lot of issues are going between you and your person. Yes, Five of Cups, they're feeling sad for the separation. They're feeling stuck, they're feeling sad, but they're thinking about partnership and they really want to work on this relationship. So let's see their intentions. High Priestess with Three of Wands. I think this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, and your person listening to their higher self, trusting their intuition, and they're waiting. Maybe they're waiting for some right time to approach you. And Knight of Wands, lot of passion between both of you. They are very very attracted to you. Maybe in past they are in and out of your life. And Ace of Pentacles, definitely this time your person thinking about new beginnings with you. And Nine of Pentacles, I think your person is very independent. They don't depend on anyone either emotionally or financially. For some right now, maybe your person focusing on their career, that's why they're feeling stuck, they are unable to make any move. But definitely near future, they will make a move towards you, but in divine timing, because Three of Wands, waiting period is going between you and your person right now, but they are planning new beginnings with you. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Libra, and it's you and it's your card. And Justice with Nine of Wands. Yes, they're feeling stuck, but maybe for some your person is guarded, but they're thinking about second chances with you. They really want to marry you. Justice. For some, one person in this connection going through a legal issues. And often definitely commitment, marriage. Your person this time they're serious about you. They're seriously thinking about commitment with you, marriage with you. And you started focusing on your career, on your abundance, King of Pentacles, and you are holding back right now. You are not expressing your true feelings because maybe this person is in and out of your life. For some third party situation also involved. That's why right now you are concentrating on your career and you want your happiness. Yes. And the Lovers, love is there between both of you, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Yeah, mutual cards, Seven of Swords with the Chariot. Maybe trust issues between both of you. I think Libra, you're not trusting this person. Definitely some trust issues. That's why you are holding back. But they really thinking about new beginnings with you. For some, definitely maybe your person is a player, toxic person. It depends on your situation, because this is general reading. Every person's situation is different from others. And Chariot. So definitely this relationship right now is very very slow moving energy. For some, definitely this person could be toxic for you. So let's see some more messages from your person and through the channel, Libra. Reconciliation. I need some space now. Age difference. Stability is coming. Long distance relationship. I will never forget you. So the messages are reconciliation. I need some space. Age differences. Stability is coming. Long distance relationship. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonates. Definitely for some, yes, your person planning for reconciliation. For some, your person right now feeling stuck. That's why they need some space. You both have age differences and stability is coming. Long distance relationship. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Libra. It's time to take action. New moon in Aries. And emotions are running high, super moon. So it's time to take action. If you want to take action, so this is the message for you. For some, so it's time to take action. For some, it is the right time, and emotions are running high, super moon. So if your emotions are running high, do meditation to heal yourself and to control your emotions. Also do meditation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.